Bita, tiya. Bitbita sa te.
For today's video, we gonna slaughter chicken. Oh yes, 3.
Nani, ikot.
Come on, 3?
Yeah. Oh, we have 3 chicken.
Why? Chicken.
We will slaughter this roaster. So Aileen will get a rooster. It's not roaster. It's a 3 white chicken. So we will slaughter this 3 white chickens. So Aileen will gonna slaughter it. Oh. Lang ano na siya ayo di na mamanindog. Patindugan na Aileen. Stand up. Okay. You also. Oh. So, you sharpen the knife. Oh.
Okay.
Ah, mas tira. Tira mo talaga. Oh. Sige, unahon na yung... Ayaw, pakibuhi pa na siya, oh.
Man.
This one, you slaughter this. Ito, kang pindog.
Ihaw, ane?
Yeah.
Kabuang ayaw eh. Gunit lang. Tiwa naman yung gunit eh.
Oh.
No?
Ayaw na, di mo na siya mukuan.
Ah, bisag liog na gunitan ka ni Guro.
Oh.
No?
Yes.
Ah, anak ang lang na. Ayaw.
Guni, dili, anak.
Gunitan.
Anak ba?
Napot kayo mo rin.
Long isa, oh. The other one is want to stay alive.
Ha?
Yeah. Nalang sila.
Hot.
Smells so good. Ouch! Smells so good. So this is the 3 chicken that Aileen have slaughtered. Oh. Oh my God. Why? Oh, look at the. So big. So Aileen is so good in cutting. So gabi na. It's so hot. Doon sa yung manok. Talit.
Ano siya? Baga ang manahid.
So Aileen is so good in cutting, so good in flocking and everything.